In this video, I'm just going to teach you how to use your calculator wisely when it comes to finance, because a big part of it is not weighting and simplifying decimals throughout the question, but keeping the exact decimals right till the end. So the one way you can do it, and ironically I'm not going to use long decimals just to have easier numbers that you can try yourself, but imagine that you've got seriously complicated long numbers and decimals going on. So let's just say, and try this on your calculator, let's just say 5 times 6. Okay, and you get an answer. It should be 30. And now you want to move on to the next part of a finance question where you're going 120 divided by 30. But imagine this is lots and lots of decimals. And so the best way and the simplest way to do it is just on your calculator go 120 divided by, and then just press answer if you've never used that before, and that will bring up whatever previous long decimal answer you have, and we know the answer should just be 4. So that's using the button answer. Then if you in a question like you can get in finance where there's multiple layers of questions, and so this is useful but you can kind of only use it once, you can only refer back to the previous answer, then this is a incredible trick where you store your answers. I'm just bringing STO because that's where the button is in your calculator. So try this with me as we go. 5 times 6, press equals, and you get 30. Then this is imagine this is a long decimal answer you want to use for future. You press shift, the button that has in yellow STO, store, and the button above it or any in that row where there's red letters. So I'm just going to press A. And when you do that, when you press shift, store, and the red letter above A, your calculator at this point should come up with something that looks like this. Answer arrow A. At this point it's stored it as A. Okay, and just remember that I can press AC, I can do something else. Now I'm going to go 4 times 2 equals, and it should say 8, and I'm going to do the same thing, shift store, but now I'm going to press B. And it should give you the same thing in the screen. And again, you can press AC, that's just stored it. You can go on and on and on with all the letters in red. But now if I want to use it, how do I actually use all these, imagine again, all these long decimals from different finance questions, all trying to come together? I simply press alpha, which is a red writing, alpha A, and let's say I wanted to add these two. Okay, so we know the answer should be 38. I'm just going to press alpha in red, A plus alpha, and the button that has a red B. So A plus alpha B, and that will give me my answer. And so this is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful trick that will change your life in the world of finance and other sections wherever you're needing to carry on answers. I hope that you found this calculator trick useful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your friends. Thanks.